Hi and welcome to my video where I'm gonna convert my X-Robin project into a biplane. I'm gonna start with building new upper wing. Design is the same like always, it's just a simple one-fold wing. Then I'm reinforcing with the fiberglass tape. Packing tape is going both for the reinforcement and decoration as well. I want to make it look just like in the original project, so I'm gonna add decorative tape at the wing tips. Now the wing is done, so let's move on. I'm gonna design this, I don't know what to call them, I've called them pylons. So I've designed these pylons, gonna cut them out from the 10mm foam, and I'm gonna make 4 of them. Before moving on, obviously I'm gonna reinforce them with the fiberglass tape. The X-Robin marking obviously is gonna go to the upper wing, so here we go. Now I don't go with a proper plan like I normally do, so I'm just gonna eyeball the placement of the pylons. As you can see, I struggle with that a little bit. Finally, the wing gets on. Note how stable my airplane sits on the packing tape. Here I'm gonna make this pins out of the skewer sticks, because I'm gonna use the rubber band to reinforce the connection of the both wings. Here, after I've placed the rubbers, the entire assembly is still a bit wobbly. So in the end, I had to use fixed skewer sticks just to hold the wing in place, so it would be nice and sturdy. So now the landing gear on, and she's ready to go. I was thinking I would do the maiden flight on a beautiful day in the park. So biplane, I thought it was gonna be slow, so I got on my bike and I got my park flyer. Yeah, he ended up in a disaster. He got into a tree so unluckily that he was wedged in between 2 trees. Absolute nightmare. So I had to climb up and get it down. My age, it wasn't very pleasant experience at all. In the end, I took it on my regular airfield. Turns out the airplane has absolutely no aileron authority. It flies, but it flies really badly. So I figure I'd take it back to the shop and put the ailerons on the upper wing, because for now it only has the lower wing ailerons. And now back in the air. Today is a bit windy, and still I got no ailerons whatsoever. After a couple of tries, I did some research online, and it turns out that I misplaced the gap between the wings. Here you can see this is what is supposed to be 1.5 the length of the cord. That's as per book gap, and in my design I've only managed to get 0.6 of the length of a cord. So I guess this is where the mistake was, that disturbance between the wings prevented the ailerons from working, I guess. So overall, X-Robin conversion to a biplane, total flop. Thanks and see you later.